In this video, I will be showing you how to connect Gmail account in Outlook. Once you logged into your Outlook, this is the dashboard you will come across. You can add Gmail account by clicking this Add Account link. If you don't see the account link here, you need to click this settings gear icon in the top bar. And next, in this pop-up window, under Accounts tab, you can click the Add Account button. In this window, you need to add your Gmail account and continue with the process. And again, you need to accept all permissions to sync your Gmail account and Microsoft Cloud and continue with the process. And now sign into your Gmail account and continue with the process. Here click the Select All box and continue. And done. It's as simple as this. You can see in Outlook, the Gmail account has been connected. You can click here and read email in the inbox and all other tab, like you do in your Gmail account. You can compose emails and send through Outlook. Here, when you compose and send an email through Outlook, make sure you are selecting the Gmail account, if it is not already selected by default. And done sending email through Outlook, as though it's sent through the Gmail account. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.